Hey guys, hope you're all doing well. I'm Bev and welcome back to my channel. In case you've come across this channel for the first time, you are very welcome and kindly consider subscribing. And to my returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch my videos. In today's video, we are making loaded fries. Our ingredients are black pepper, paprika, Cajun seasoning, salt, onions, tomatoes that I'm going to blend, garlic, beef, coriander, and lastly potatoes that I'm going to cut into fries. We will start off with boiling our beef and we're going to season it with beef cube and garlic. Reason as to why I seasoned my beef, I wanted to build flavor right from the beginning. Here our beef was a little bit tough, so I gave it an extra 10 minutes. Here our beef had softened up, now we are ready for the next step. Put your beef on the pan that's on the stove, add some oil and mix well. Let it brown a little bit, but don't let the beef broil. Next, you're going to add the onions and you're going to saute for a few minutes. In this recipe, you don't have to limit yourself to beef, you can as well use chicken. Next, you're going to add the garlic and you're going to mix well. Next, you're going to add the spices and you're going to mix well until everything is nicely combined. When it comes to spices, you don't have to limit yourself to what I've used. You can use what your heart desires. Next, you're going to add the blended tomatoes and you're going to mix well until everything is nicely incorporated. Going to cover it up for the blended tomatoes to cook. We're going to cover it up for the water to evaporate. We are now going to add our fries, but you're going to mix well, but very gently, we don't want them to break. I deep fried my fries off camera when the beef was boiling. Mix well until everything is nicely combined. We want all the fries to be coated. Lastly, we're going to garnish it with coriander leaves and we're going to mix well until everything is nicely combined. Our loaded fries are ready. They were perfectly seasoned and they were very delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly like and subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye!